Fifth grade Shurley method, page 6. We're going to do exercise 1 and 2 today. Number 1, you guys are going to do for homework, and we are still doing pattern 1. So all of these answers should have a pattern 1 with them, okay? So we have not gone to my grandfather's house in a long time. Who has not gone to my grandfather's house in a long time? Pronoun. What is being said about we? Gone. Verb. Have. It's actually have gone, right? Gone is the verb. Have is the helping verb, and not is an adverb. Okay. To what? Whose house? Possessive noun adjective because it has an apostrophe S. Whose house? Possessive pronoun adjective, and actually it's not whose house, it's whose grandfather. Okay, in what? What kind of time? Okay. Pattern. To my grandfather's house. In a long time. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. In between we and have, is there an adverb exception? No, because it's after the line, right? Okay, it is this is the natural or inverted order. Natural. Are you going to our family reunion in July? Who is going to the family reunion in July? You. Subject, pronoun. What is being said about you? Are going. So that is what? Are is the helping verb. Going is the verb. To what? What kind of reunion? Whose reunion? Possessive pronoun adjective in what? Okay, go back to the pattern. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. To our family reunion in July. Question mark. Asking a question, interrogative sentence, go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Inverted. So are, you underline twice, you once, and then going to our family reunion in July twice. Go to King Edward's Castle for pizza at noon today. Who needs to go to King Edward's Castle for pizza today? You. Okay, so you. And it's the understood subject pronoun. Go, or what is being said about you? Verb. Okay. To what? Whose castle? King Edward. It has an apostrophe S. It's a possessive noun adjective, and those two things go together, so you can kind of put it between the middle of them. For what? At what? No. Noon. Object of the preposition in when? Adverb, because you're answering when. Okay, pattern. Okay. To King Edward's Castle. For pizza. At noon. Period. It's a command, so imperative sentence. The vegetable soup. Oh, sorry. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. You and go. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this the natural or inverted order? The vegetable soup is heating slowly on the stove in the kitchen. What is heating slowly in the kitchen on the stove in the kitchen? Soup. Subject, noun. What is being said about the soup? Is heating. So is the helping verb. Heating is the verb. Heating how? What kind of soup? On what? In what? The pattern. On the stove. In the kitchen. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Soup it is. Is there an adverb subject? No, because it's the theme. It's after the backslash. This is the natural inverted order. Natural. Okay. You guys are also going to do number 6 for homework. So you guys will use your classification to help you decide what words go on the blanks. Don't forget to put a capital to start off the sentence, and you need a punctuation at the end of the sentence, correct? Okay.